Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to General Management, then Samsung Keyboard. This is where the keyboard stores learned words and prediction data, so access matters. Once in Smart Typing, look for text shortcuts and predictive text. Make sure the keyboard is selected as default to see all options. You're doing this now because deleting words requires clearing learned data rather than deleting individual dictionary entries in many Samsung versions. Next, we'll remove those learned words safely. Now, tap Reset within Samsung Keyboard Settings and choose Clear Personalized Data. This action removes learned words, typing patterns, and suggestions tied to your device keyboard. Make sure to read the confirmation. It's permanent on the device. If you use Samsung Cloud Sync for keyboard data, back up or disable sync first to prevent resyncing removed words. Once confirmed, the keyboard will rebuild predictions from factory language models, so you may need to retrain it with normal typing. Finish by opening any typing field and testing predictions to confirm deletion. If removed words still show, make sure Samsung Cloud or Google Sync is off and repeat the Clear Personalized Data step. Cloud restoration often reintroduces learned words. If problems persist, update the Samsung keyboard via system updates or uninstall updates to reset the app, then clear data again. Finally, restart the phone to ensure changes apply. This step resolves most lingering cache or sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.